Hi, I'm Monasha Kapoor. I'm an aesthetic plastic surgeon and I do a lot of aesthetic surgeries and non-surgical practice. Here where I am talking to you guys, this is my aesthetic non-surgical practice where I have a collection of the best lasers in the world, best treatments in the world, and I'll be talking to you about HydraFacial because a lot of people they don't have the idea of what is HydraFacial, what it does and how it acts on the face. They are always asking, doctor, what is this HydraFacial? And they go to different centers and where they are duped and cheated by the name of HydraFacial, that we are doing a HydraFacial for you, but it is actually not HydraFacial, and they take a lot of money from them saying that they have got HydraFacial. So today I'm gonna clear all those concepts and tell you what exactly is HydraFacial. So HydraFacial, it's a company from US. It's a machine. So they have given this machine the word HydraFacial. So this machine is from an American company. It is one of the best brands in the US at the moment. HydraFacial is comprised of different steps. So what it does gentle exfoliation through the use of certain serums and creams and vitamins on the surface of the skin. So here what you are seeing is my aesthetic non-surgical treatment center. You see on either sides I have treatment rooms here, and we have HydraFacial also. I'll walk you through what is HydraFacial and I'll explain you. So welcome to my one of the treatment rooms where we do the HydraFacial. So this is actually the real HydraFacial. Fine. So my idea of talking to you about HydraFacial is that the clients should not be confused or duped or cheated by the name of HydraFacial, because a lot of people say वहाँ तो 4,000 का हो रहा है, वहाँ तो 5,000 का हो रहा है, why is it so expensive? It's not only about the money, it's also about what is going inside your skin. So you need to see whether you are getting the treatment done by this machine, that is HydraFacial, the Edge system. It is the machine that gives you HydraFacial. As I said, it is comprised of different steps that we use on the skin to give you a healthy skin. It is based on skin science. If you see, these are the probes. So what it does, it gently exfoliates the skin, cleanses it with different serums that are in these bottles, what you can see. And you'll be happy to know that Dr. Zain Awaji, who's one of the best skin doctors and he's got one of the best products in the world, he has tied up with the HydraFacial system to bring certain products like vitamin C. Now HydraFacial, in HydraFacial we do Obagi serums and Obagi creams, and it has become a Obagi facial. If someone tells you what is Obagi facial, it is HydraFacial clubbed with Obagi serums and vitamins. So this is what it is all about. So it's a 1 hour therapy. So in my center I make sure I customize each HydraFacial according to what the skin needs, and there is a proper protocol. And HydraFacial, if it is done the right way, is never cheap, because these serums that are made in US by the HydraFacial company, they are not cheap, they are very expensive. If someone is selling you cheap stuff, it is on your name, not on HydraFacial's name. Fine. So don't think that you are paying less money. If you are paying less money, so probably the serums that are being used are not by the HydraFacial systems. So HydraFacial system, they use one of the highest quality serums that can be used on the skin. And my point of talking to you is never fall for the price, because if HydraFacial is done in a correct manner with using the amount of serum that the company has advocated to be used in each client for the client to see result. An average cost of HydraFacial should be minimum 10,000 and it can go up to 20,000 depending upon the ingredients that are being used on your face. So don't compromise your skin looking at the price, because these serums can be manipulated. Go to a place that is authentic and is using the authentic technology, because a lot of my clients said, oh, we got a HydraFacial done before, and when they see the machine, नहीं वो तो कोई और थी. There are Chinese and Korean variables also that are available in the market. So that is the reason you should know what a real HydraFacial looks like. This is how it looks like, okay? And this is the sign that you should look for. Even that can be copied. It's just the brand what you are going to, where you know that authentic work would be done, and no one is going to use a substandard thing to dupe you of your skin health. If you pay for a thing, you will get the real thing. So this is what the HydraFacial is all about. So can men and women get it done? Yes, both of them can get it done. And it is especially great for acne prone skin. And as I said, I treat acne without the use of antibiotics, without the use of heavy oral isotroin or Accutane. So one thing in treating acne at my center is HydraFacial. I design anti-acne HydraFacial. I customize for my clients depending on what their skin needs. If it's an acne prone skin, I use more of salicylic acid based products so that their skin is calmed down. So these are LEDs, red LED and blue LED. Blue LED is for the acne prone skin, which we complete the session with. We do the lymphatic massage that takes away the toxin. We begin with the facial lymphatics here. These are the facial lymphatics. So facial lymphatics is a kind of a massage that we do that removes the toxin from the skin, and it goes into your blood circulation to be excreted by the kidneys. This step is very important, as these are the toxins that causes skin problems. So if this step is done correctly, majority of your issues would be dealt with. Then we treat the skin with gentle exfoliation with these tips. What you see, these tips have serum. When we apply this tip on the surface, there's a pneumatic lock that becomes, and these serums cleanses your skin, exfoliates it, and the vitamins which we use, they get infused into the deeper surface of the skin, making it look healthy and nice. So this was all about HydraFacial, and thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and useful to you to select the right place to get the HydraFacial done, so that in future when you go to a place, you can easily point out that, oh no, this is not HydraFacial, this is something else you are giving me. If you see the HydraFacial, it is a 15-step procedure. It is not just quick in 15 minutes it's done. No, there is series of steps that needs to be followed up for a healthier, cleaner and glowing skin. Thanks for watching.